Hey everyone, how's it going? Has a detailer told you that they have the glossiest coating on earth and of course you can tell the difference? Well, maybe that's true. Let's find out. Okay, so what I did to test out this theory, and it's not a huge scientific test, but I took a mini test hood that I have. We have like 3 of them around the shop for showing various things. And it's basic black little hood about 2 feet wide. And I polished it quickly, and then wiped it down with Acrosol, which is a solvent that removes every little bit left from the surface. And then I coated it with 6 different types of coatings. Everything from one of them is a sealant, all the way up to $300 bottle of ceramic coating, and everything in between. Some are available to consumers, some are available to pros, and I'm going to show you the hood, and I'm going to let you make the determination in various lighting circumstances without telling you which section is which, if you can tell which coating is the glossiest. Okay, so this is the hood in question. It has been coated in 6 different areas with 6 different products from multiple manufacturers, and I want you to tell me in this lighting if you can see a gloss difference on this hood. And I'll tell you that there is a gloss difference between uncoated and coated, because if I get up and show you in the right light, you'll see vaguely where the tape lines were. So there are some different areas, but I want you to tell me if you can tell the difference. Okay, this is another type of lighting. I've turned off all the super bright LEDs and instead only have my scan grips and my diffused lighting on. And scan grips are color match lights. They're designed for body shops and paint correction. Okay, now what we have is all of those correction lights off and just the diffused light. And you can kind of see as I pass through the light, you can see where the tape line was. So there's definitely a difference, but tell me if you can tell the difference between the 6 areas of the hood that are coated. And I don't want to give it away on which areas of the hood are coated because I don't want to make any suggestions. Now what we have here is just my very, very basic original garage lights. Now these are still a little bit brighter than your typical garage. And again, you can kind of see the tape mark there. But so it's much lower and much less correction, or much less heavy light. Okay, now we're going to do it laying flat. So the last one was max lighting. This one turned off my floodlights. Okay, now this is diffused lighting and the color match scan grips. Now we just have the diffused lighting, no scan grips. Okay, this is just the standard garage lighting. Okay, everybody, last chance. Now you can probably see that there is, in fact, a gloss difference from the untreated to the treated, and you can probably guess where I had these 6 products, but can you make a good determination as to what is actually glossier? This is outside, overcast light. All right, now we're out in the sun. Okay, so were you able to tell which section of the hood had the glossiest coating or protectant sealant on it? Let me know in the comments if you could tell. I'm not going to give away which was which and where it was. I want to see if people can actually tell.